Welcome to Randem Systems, your local IT department. At Randem Systems, we specialize in providing exceptional computer repair services and are dedicated to promoting computer literacy through our highly informative computer classes. Our state-of-the-art classrooms are equipped with 39-inch screens, ensuring an optimal viewing experience for all participants. Recognizing the significance of awareness, we acknowledge that identifying unknown pitfalls is the first step towards progress. Therefore, we strongly encourage you to seize this opportunity and enroll in one of our classes to address common errors that can lead to significant financial setbacks. Our range of classes covers topics such as computer scams and strategies to avoid them, as well as fundamental computer operations that maximize productivity and safeguard your data. Additionally, we offer comprehensive instruction on computer backup and disaster recovery plans. How can you be certain that your backup plan functions unless it has been thoroughly tested? It is crucial to ensure its effectiveness before it becomes necessary. And guess what? We have a dedicated class precisely for that purpose. Remember, you don't know what you don't know until you find out that you didn't know it. Call Randem Systems today to get your computer repaired or to register for our informative computer classes at 808-446-3057. We are located in the heart of Wailuku town at the corner of Market and Main Street on the second floor of the MDG building.